Hello guys, Kia Picanto for today's video. Kia Picanto. Agay. Ito guys, leaking yung engine. Crankshaft oil seal saka camshaft. Palit. Ang sarap. Ayun yung ano namin, yung chip mechanic. Chip mechanic namin yan. Ayun dalawa. Aya, wag yan. Yung isa tagakuha ng ano, oil slug. Kia Picanto. Crankshaft oil seal.
Laro ngayon.
Guys, crankshaft oil seal. Salpak natin ngayon. Crankshaft oil seal. Ayan o. Dito. Tapos sabay linis ng ano, engine, ang dumi. Ayan o. Ayan yung bagong crankshaft oil seal guys. Smooth.
Ate, sit po na ka?
Camshaft.